Hi everyone. Today we're going to share with you our recipe for making super easy sausage biscuit sandwiches using an air fryer. This recipe is great because you use the simplest prepared ingredients. Today we're going to be using canned biscuits, so just pick up your favorite variety at the grocery store, and sausage patties. You're going to need a little bit of melted butter as well. Before we actually make these, we're going to need to season our air fryer. So we'll do that first and go from there. I'm going to be using a Power Air Fryer XL today. And one of the things that I always like to do, especially since I'm working with a bread product like a biscuit, is I'm going to season the bottoms inside of this. You're going to want an oil that has a fairly high smoke point. So I have chosen to use peanut oil, although you can use another oil of your choosing. But I'm just going to take a paper towel and rub it over the bottom and sides of my air fryer a couple of times. And then go ahead and preheat the air fryer on 350 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. So we'll go ahead and get that going. Okay, what we've learned when you're working with biscuits in an air fryer is that you're going to want to baste them in some melted butter. And I'm going to baste both sides. Put them upside down in your air fryer. So I'm going to baste the first side. I'm only going to make 3 of these right now. Then I'm going to baste the tops. Or maybe these are the bottoms. Okay, and I'm just going to add in my sausage patties. These are fairly small ones we just picked up at the grocery. We're going to put this in the air fryer. We're going to set it on 380 degrees and we're going to let it go for 5 minutes. Okay. So we're going to set this, I said 380 a minute ago. What I meant to say was 350. Sorry about that. And we're going to go for 5 minutes and let these cook. So we'll be back to check on these in just a minute. We have just passed the 5-minute mark, and this is where what we're going to do is these are starting to look good, but they aren't quite done. So we're going to put them back in after I flip the biscuits and I check on the sausages, because I guarantee you there's still probably a little pink on the inside. We want those to be good and done. Let me cut that one here so you can see it. See that? So that still needs to cook. Now I'm going to put these back in for another 3 minutes. Your cooking time may vary from here on out based on the size and the thickness of both the biscuits and the sausage that you've chosen to use. There we go. Now we'll check on these again here in just a minute. Okay. Here we go. Our biscuits look great, and these are definitely ready. They're nice and fluffy. They are done on the inside, which is very important. My sausage probably needs 1 more minute because we are a family that doesn't like any bit of pink in their meat at all. So I'm going to go ahead and let these go. Just like another minute is about all they need. All right, I do believe that we have our sausage finished now. Let's check it to see. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is done enough for our family. This is the way they like it. Okay, so we are going to slice our biscuits. Plate our sausage on it like that. And then I just like to add a little more butter to the top. Let that soak in. So there you have it. It's a super simple recipe to make quick sandwiches. These took us under 10 minutes to do total. Pick up your favorite canned biscuits and sausage, a little melted butter, you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and like. Have a good day.